Hey guys, John across with the Jeep of the Week, bringing you the brand new Sky One Touch Power Hardtop on the JL Rubicon. So let's get into it. So on top of that very cool top, this thing has the steel bumper package that is winch acceptable, which is pretty cool. You just pop the top piece off there and throw in a winch plate. It also has the HID headlights and then the vented hood as well. Now the new JL Rubicon also comes with a BFG KO2, which is my personal favorite tire ever. We do a ton of builds with that. On the inside, it's all leather. It has the touch screen. And then Jared, if you'll pan up, that top is, like I said, completely retractable. It goes all the way back. You're gonna get sun for both the first and the second rows. And then what I think really sets it off is that your rear panels pop off completely. It's just that easy, which means that if you're removing both your front and rear door, all of this is open and your only top is this little panel here and a little bit in the back, which is pretty slick. So for any other questions on the operation of this or pricing, please give us a shout at 502-459-9900. Make sure you like us on Facebook and always check out our YouTube page. I'm John and we'll talk to you guys next week.